Stella wants to play, but the deer don't want to play. They really care less. Yeah, I think the leaves are pretty good though. Or your nose. She is so funny. She's like fired up. Oh geez, now we got 4. Now we just had another mother come with a fawn. The fawn just ran to the left. There goes the one. Stella, stay here. Oh, look at the fawn. I don't know if you can see it. Try to zoom in here.